guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been such a long time since I posted a video, but I'm back and I'm better. And in today's video we're gonna be installing this wig right here that I got from this black owned company. It's one of the Forcey Edges wig, and I know you guys seen them all over your timeline these days. And I went ahead and I purchased one from a black owned company, and it's very much giving, you know. It came pre-plugged, already plugged in bleach, and all I had to do was flat iron it. But the wig is not sponsored, shouldn't pay me for this video. This is my honest opinion. Without further ado, let's stop rambling and get into this install. So the wig we will be using is this wig right here. Like I said before, it's from a black owned company. It literally came like this. I had pre-ordered it because the one that she had in stock, they were medium sizes, but I need a large size because I have a big head. It took about 2 weeks for her to give it to me. I told her not to press it out because I wanted to show you guys like the before and after. This is a kinky straight 13x4 frontal wig. It came pre-plugged, bleached, everything. The lace was cut for me and everything. All I did was add my makeup to it, and now we're just gonna install it. You feel me? And I will show you guys the packaging, but I was so excited. I took the wig out of the packaging, and it came with some goodies, and she sent this this wig cap, which is on my head right now. It's an HD wig cap. You can't even see it. I'm here for my black girls doing their thing, because period. It'll come with an elastic band inside. You can take it. So I wanted a side part, and she delivered. She gave me a side part, okay? Oh, hold on. This is giving. Hey girl, you're in my way. Okay. So I'm gonna mark where I stop so I don't put glue over that part. I also purchased a flat iron from them, Dauphineffect. Because the hairline is how it is, I don't want it to be crunchy and stuck to my head. So I'm gonna put some on my finger, and then I'm gonna dab it where I see the lace and stuff so it can like melt. Flat iron it, but I'm only gonna do like one pass with the flat iron. This is what it took me. I'm gonna take the band off, and I hope that it melted, because while I was frying my hair, I was getting hot, and I know when I get hot, the lace don't melt the way that it should. The one stuck them, and you can also go in with a comb, which I'm also gonna do, but I feel like if I didn't go in and over plug this part, it would have looked more natural. Maybe then we're just gonna comb it so it looks more natural. That's what it was giving to me. Like, it's giving very natural. You don't want it stuck. No. Don't. Wow, this is up close. So I'm just gonna put some in here. Spray some of the black spray. I'm gonna go in with this right here. I'm just gonna fix the part because I feel like it looks too wide. I hope you guys enjoyed this video too. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll be back for more. Cause period.